In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page on Godaddy's website builder. Whether you're revamping your website, working on a new page that isn't ready to go live, or simply want to hide certain content from your navigation menu, Godaddy's website builder offers a seamless process to make this happen. Let's step through this process together, making it easy and quick to understand. First things first, let's get into the Godaddy website builder dashboard. Start by clicking on the sign in button located typically in the top right corner of the Godaddy homepage. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password. These are the details you chose when you first set up your Godaddy account. If your details are correct, you will be granted access to your dashboard after you hit the sign in button again. Once you've successfully signed into your account, navigate to the section labeled as website. This can usually be found in the dashboard's main menu or sometimes directly on your account's homepage, depending on Godaddy's current layout. Here's where the real work begins. Look for a button or link that says Edit Website. This is your gateway to modifying your website's current setup, including hiding and showing pages as needed. After clicking Edit Website, you'll be directed to a more detailed editing interface. Now you'll want to navigate to the website tab if it didn't automatically take you there. This tab is crucial because it's where all your site's pages are managed. Now find the page you wish to hide from the navigation menu. If you're unsure which page to choose, think about the pages that are still under construction or those you wish to make exclusive to certain visitors. Once decided, click on your chosen page. You'll notice after selecting a page, various options become available, but what we're interested in is the gear icon. This little icon, usually found adjacent to your page's name, is your key to accessing the page settings. Clicking on it will open a menu with several options. In this menu, look for Page Settings. It's here that Godaddy allows you to control the visibility of your page among other settings. Selecting Page Settings will open another subset of options directly related to your page's online presence and behavior. One of the toggle options you'll see is labeled Show in Navigation. By default, this is turned on for all pages, meaning they appear in your site's navigation menu. To hide the page, simply click to turn off this toggle. What this does is, it removes the page from your site's navigation menu without deleting the page or its content. It becomes invisible to your site's visitors, yet remains accessible via a direct link or as needed for your own reference. Finally, after turning off the Show in Navigation toggle, make sure to finalize your changes by clicking Done. This will save your settings and apply them immediately to your website, and just like that, you've successfully hidden a page on your Godaddy website. It's no longer accessible through the navigation menu, giving you the freedom to work on it without it being visible to your audience, or to perhaps keep certain pages exclusive to specific visitors who have the direct link. Remember, hiding a page is reversible. Should you decide later that you want the page visible again, simply follow these steps and toggle Show in Navigation back on. It's also worth noting that while the page is hidden from the navigation menu, it's not removed from your website or search engines. If you're looking to pull a page entirely off your site or make sure it's not indexed by search engines, you'll need to explore other options within Godaddy's settings or consider contacting their support team for more tailored advice. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If you're managing a website, understanding these finer controls lets you customize your visitors' experience, making sure they see what you want when you want. Thanks for watching and happy website building.